Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. This is my work. This is the subject today. Well, I'm a commercial photographer and I shoot lots of models and also still lifes. And this is one of my portfolio. Well, I want to try to make watercolor image from this. I have this image and also I made that this line image by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Find Edges. And this is moon, this is cactus. Then I'm going to change the blend mode just a little bit, turn it down, fade out, so I can see underneath of this picture too. And I'm going to move this layer in between this line image and this base image. Now I'm going to put watercolor ink on this here. I choose that, select the brush on watercolor, watercolor wash flat, that's the brush I'm going to use. Okay, make it larger size and water flow 100%. Then pick the color. Is going to be that this sky's blue. Going to dark blue. It's so settled. I don't see much. I'm gonna paste it down. No, a little bit up. Well, I'm going to paste the opacity down to the original picture, and I'm going to change the blend mode, this one to darken, so I see through the dark line. This line, darken, and I'm going to turn this one fade out, so more easy to see that watercolor. Okay, this is, I'm gonna use, now I'm gonna blend it into this sunset image, magenta color, I'm gonna use the yellowish orange first. Okay, now I'm going to see the mountain fall away. Okay, I'm going to color to the moon. We'll change the brush to watercolor round detail. The cactus. Now check the color. Nice green over here, and darker greens, and brown. Okay, get for nice green first. Okay, I think I wanna change this overall one, this one, because the mountain is kind of messy. So I'm going to use this layer, go up, then I'm going to try on here, this one, and I'm going to take this one out. Use eraser to take that mountain color out. Let's change the watercolor wash flat. I guess that's good for mountain. It's gonna be the soft. Okay. Now, first 75% to this mountain area. Make it bigger. Little water and blend it in. I like the cactus to be darkened. That's this one, duplicate layer, then turn this one off and just keep it background. Off, and I'm going to use this layer to create empty mask on this, convert, then invert mask. Now how much I'm going to show this reveal, which brush I'm going to use. Dry media, soft chalk, $700. Then last one, this is edge lines like this, black one, black dot. Actually these stars, so it should be the white. And so I'm going to take this hide, so same thing, create empty mask, convert, and invert mask. Then again, I'm going to take only the lines I want. So now same thing, reveal from this. I have the line on this. Slowly shows black lines. This much. So take this one a little bit down, then slowly shows the lines, and also the moon, not stars. Okay, now I'm gonna add another layer for, I don't know, I haven't used before, but this one, watercolor wet spatter, which I just want to try with real white 100%. What it's gonna be look like. I want us to see. Well, let's see. Maybe bigger. Oh, that's pretty good. That's too much, maybe. Okay. That's good. Okay, this is it for today. Well, thank you for watching my movie, and you guys have a good day, and see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye now. Ciao.